day, Mom and Sir. I am Maribel Villar, 46 years old, married, and I have 4 kids, ages 27, 23, 20, and 17. I have 3 siblings and I am the eldest in the family. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 7 years and 6 months in one employer. I am serving 4 people in one family. 2 adults, ages 36 and 35, 2 kids, ages 8 and 1 year old, and my main duties are newborn care, child care, cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, marketing, and helping schoolgirl for her homeworks. Mom and Sir, please hire me because I am hardworking, flexible, honest, reliable, and I love kids as my own. And I will do my best to meet your satisfactions as an employer. Have a good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you.